Welcome to Session 1 on Personal Finance by GuardianWealth. We're going to start with the basics. What are personal financial statements and why are they important? Have you ever looked at your bank and credit card statements at the end of the month to be surprised that you've spent more than you thought you did? You're not alone. Take control of your finances with personal financial statements. This helps you set budgets and goals to increase your net worth. There are two types of personal financial statements that you need to understand: a cash flow statement and a balance sheet. The personal cash flow statement measures your cash inflows, or the money you earn, and your cash outflows, or the money you spend, to determine if you have a positive or negative net cash flow. Now, let's relate this to your everyday life. Some examples of cash inflows are salaries, interest from savings accounts, dividends from investments, money from the sale of a car or a house, while examples of cash outflows are rent, loan payments, utility bills, groceries, gas, movie tickets, or dinners. The purpose of determining your cash inflows and outflows is to find your net cash flow. Your net cash flow is simply subtracting the money that you spent from the money that you earned. A positive net cash flow means that you've earned more than you spent and that you have some money left over from that time period. However, a negative net cash flow shows that you've spent more money than you brought in. The key takeaway is that if you want to increase a positive net cash flow or turn a negative net cash flow positive, you need to adjust your spending. And if you want to increase your net worth, your assets have to increase in value more than your liabilities do. The awesome thing about personal financial statements is that you become more knowledgeable about your spending habits. The more knowledge you have about your finances, the more in control you are, and the more you can set goals to increase your net worth. To learn about the second type of financial statement, check out our next video on what is a personal balance sheet.